Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Widgetsmith and making the exact widget you want. Don't stop on defaults. Create a new small, medium, or large widget, then pick the display type and adjust fonts, colors, and complications so it looks right. Once done, tap Save to lock that widget instance in the app. You're already into the hands-on work. The why is simple. Widgetsmith stores each custom widget as an item you will add to your home screen next. Now place the widget on the home screen. Long press any empty spot until icons jiggle, then tap the plus button and choose Widgetsmith from the widget list. Pick the same size you created earlier to avoid resizing issues. After adding it, long press that widget and choose Edit Widget. This step is crucial because you must select the exact saved widget instance you made in the app. Make sure the chosen instance name matches what you saved so the appearance and data are correct. Finish by confirming updates. Go to iPhone settings, ensure background app refresh and Widgetsmith permissions are enabled so the widget refreshes. If the widget shows old content, reopen Widgetsmith, resave that same widget instance, then edit widget on the home screen and reselect it. That forces the link. If things still fail, restart the phone or remove and re-add the widget. That clears cached problems. One key tip: check iOS version compatibility. Older iOS may break Widgetsmith behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.